Greetings, grade 6 students. Welcome to our online class. Today it is spelling time. How are you feeling? Before we begin, I'd like to redirect your attention that you need to have with you your reader's and writer's notebook, your English copybook, as well as your pen. Thank you. For today, we will be talking about compound words. As I mentioned a while ago, please try to get ready with your reader's and writer's notebook. Please do not answer the activity pages unless you finish watching the video. For today, we will learn about the following. Define compound words, spell the words correctly, learn the words with examples, pronounce the words with accuracy, use the vocabulary words in meaningful sentences. Let's now begin. And this is compound word. A compound word is two words combined to make a new word with a new meaning. Example, snow plus man equals snowman. The word snowman is a compound word. Let's try to get to know more about compound words. In simple terms, a compound word is a word which is made up of two or more words, usually two words, which are put together to form a new meaning. For example, deck chair. Now, there are types of compound words. 1. Words classified by their form, and 2. Words classified by their class. Let's try to take first words classified by their form. Meaning to say, 1. Open form compound words are two words which are written independently of one another, separated by a space. For example, I brought an ice cream from the store. The word ice cream is a compound word which is an open form, separated by a space. The second one is closed form compound words are two words which have been joined together to make a new word. They are not separated by space and are written one right after the other. For example, at Christmas time, when it snowed, we built a snowman. A snowman is a compound word, closed form, written together. The last one, a hyphenated compound word, is two words which are put together and separated by a hyphen. For example, I entered the competition, but I came home empty-handed as I did not win. The word empty-handed is a compound word, two words separated by a hyphen. Let's go to the second type. Words classified by their class. Compound verbs are words which describe an action. Unlike a regular verb, a compound verb is made up of two words. Compound verbs are usually open form. For example, I like to regularly ask for updates on the project. Asked for is a compound verb and they are not written together. Second, compound adjective are words which are descriptive. Unlike a regular adjective, a compound adjective is made of two words. Compound adjectives are usually hyphenated. For example, my wife and daughter are both blue-eyed. Blue-eyed is a compound adjective and it is hyphenated. Lastly, compound nouns are words which gave a name to something. Unlike regular nouns, a compound noun is made up of two words. Compound nouns are usually closed form. For example, in the orchard, we have several apple trees and one large oak. Apple trees is your compound noun. Here's a link With regards to the compound words, I'd like you to follow this link, watch carefully the video, listen attentively, and understand it comprehensively. It will help you a lot. You can pause this video while watching this video link. Let's now read the following words. Repeat after me. Field trip, solar system, lightning rod, area code, someone, thunderstorm, myself, cliffhanger, snowflakes, leftovers, life jacket, wheelchair, polka dot, cell phone, bulldozer, our hand, roller coaster, whitewash, masterpiece, and rainforest. You can pause this video and read it by yourself. Let's start defining every single word. Our first word is field trip, meaning it's an educational procedure by which the learners obtain first-hand information by observing places, objects, phenomena, and processes in their natural setting. That's field trip. Our second word is solar system, the collection of 8 planets and their moons in orbit around the sun, together with their smaller bodies in the form of asteroids, meteoroids, and comets. That is solar system. Lightning rod is our next word. It's a metal rod or wire fixed to an exposed part of a building or other tall structure to divert lightning harmlessly into the ground. That's lightning rod. Area code is our next word, which is another term for dialing code. Area code. Someone versus someone. Someone refers to the unspecified member of a group of people, while someone refers to an unspecified member of a group of items or people that is being selected for individual attention. Thunderstorm is our next word. Thunderstorms are rain showers with accompanied thunder. As thunder is a result of lightning, you can also define thunderstorms as rain showers with lightning. Myself is our next word, used by a speaker to refer to himself or herself as the object of a verb or preposition when he or she is the subject of the clause. That is myself. Cliffhanger is our next word. A cliffhanger ending is a plot device in fiction which features a main character in a precarious or difficult dilemma or confronted with a shocking revelation at the end of an episode of serialized fiction. That is cliffhanger. Snowflakes is our next word. A flake of snow, especially a feathery ice crystal, typically displaying delicate six-fold symmetry. That is a snowflake. Leftovers is our next word. Something or especially food remaining after the rest has been used. That is leftovers. Life jacket, a sleeveless buoyant or inflatable jacket for keeping a person afloat in water. That's life jacket. Wheelchair is our next word. A chair fitted with wheels for use as a means of transport by a person who is unable to walk as a result of illness, injury, or disability. That is wheelchair. Our next word is polka dot, one of a number of round dots repeated to form a regular pattern on fabric. That's polka dot. Our next word is cell phone, a phone with access to a cellular radio system so it can be used over a wide area without a physical connection to a network. A mobile phone. That is cell phone. Our next word is bulldozer, a powerful truck laying tractor with caterpillar tracks and a broad curved upright blade at the front for clearing ground. That is bulldozer. Our next word is our hand, the hand on a clock or watch which indicates the hour. That is our hand. Roller coaster is our next word. A fairground attraction that consists of a light railway track which has many tight turns and steep slopes on which people ride in small, fast open carriages. That's roller coaster. Whitewash is our next word, a solution of lime and water or of whiting size and water used for painting walls white. That's whitewash. Masterpiece is our next word, a work of outstanding artistry, skill or workmanship. That's masterpiece. Our final word is rainforest. A rainforest is a luxuriant, dense forest rich in biodiversity found typically in tropical areas with consistently heavy rainfall. That's rainforest. Dear students, before you proceed answering these pages in your reader's and writer's notebook, I'd like you to get your notebook first. Choose 5 words and then write meaningful sentences. After doing so, you may proceed answering pages 215, 220, and 239. After which, you can take a screenshot, send it to our WhatsApp group for checking. Before doing so, I'd like to remind you again, dear students, please write neatly and legibly. Practice writing on the line and copy the correct spelling. There is no other way to improve your spelling skill than copying the correct spelling. Once again, grade 6 students, thank you so much for staying with me. It's been my honor to spend the time with you. Moreover, before we end our session today, I'd like to remind everyone to stay safe. Pray hard and pray for all people all over the world. Thank you once again. Have a nice day. Goodbye.